Alright, this is a 3.8 liter V6 2007 Pacifica, and we're replacing the oil pressure switch. It's not too bad to get to. Let me get a light on it. Right there on the front. It's not too bad. So all you're going to need to replace that is one of these and one of these, and it's a 1/2-inch drive. Alright, let's see if I can do this on film. Okay, I don't think I can. Alright, I need 2 hands to do this. I can't record it and do it at the same time, so there's a little red tab on there. Barely see it, but anyway, there's a red tab on there. You got to pull it up so you can slide that plastic off, the connector off, and then we'll unscrew it. So okay, so to get this thing off, got to pull this tab out and then press down on this little piece down here at my thumb, and then it'll come right off. Comes off pretty easy. And there's the other side of it. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand, so yeah. Put your socket on there and take it off. I'll be right back. Alright, so I used my my long socket or ratchet, and you've got to pretty much get the socket down there first and then attach the ratchet. Otherwise, it's a little too tight. It's going to be hard getting it maneuvered. Well, for me anyway. And 1,000,001 uses for baling twine. Hold that, those wires out of the way. Anyway, let's take that. Get that thing loose. A whole lot easier when you got a long handled ratchet. More leverage on that thing. Makes easy work of it. Oh, it's pretty loose. I should be able to get it out by hand now. Okay, maybe not. Must have backed off of it a little bit. Let's see if I can get this one with the socket still on it. Yeah. Not with the camera in my hand. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's the old one. And it's hard to tell, but kind of looks like oil just blew right on through it. Caused it to go bad. From what I hear, that's what they do. Especially with these Chryslers. This is the second time I've changed it. First time I should have recorded it because I couldn't find anything on YouTube to show how to do it, and I think I know why, because it's so hard to show exactly what you're doing. Kind of tight in there. But anyway, you'll lose some oil when you pull it out, and got to get it in there relatively quick, and then get it tight with your fingers, and just couple little turns with your ratchet, not too much, so you don't want to break that end off in the motor block. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks.